Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk to you about the verb be. This verb is the most commonly used verb in English. So it's very important to understand how to conjugate this verb in the present tense. Now, in order to understand conjugation in English, we have to understand that there are 6 persons in English for each conjugation. We have first person singular, I, second person singular, you, third person singular, he, she, it, first person plural, we, second person plural, you, and third person plural, they. Now, how do we conjugate be in these 6 persons in the present tense? The first, I am. The second, you. You are. Third, he, she, it is. First person plural. We are. Second person plural. You are. And third person plural. They are. So, I am. You are. He, she, it is. We are. You are. They are. Again, this is the conjugation of be in the present tense in English. Again, very important to understand this conjugation as be is the most common verb in English. Now, I hope that was helpful, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, and if you subscribe to my channel, I would be greatly, greatly appreciative. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.